In today's video, we're gonna show you the difference between removing a paint scuff using Colgate and a professional scratch remover. So we'll see how it differs. First, we have to do is apply a thin layer of the paste. I'm just applying both together in different areas. This is just a scuff. The scratches cannot be removed, as the scratches will be deep. The paint has to be redone. So it should be thin layer, particularly for the scratch remover, and let it dry for some time. After that, you just start applying what you call microfiber cloth or something like that, with a little bit of pressure. So it was easy to get the scuff out without much effort using the Colgate original. The debris is coming from my cloth. I was not having a microfiber at home ready. For that reason, the black thing that you are seeing is the debris from my cloth itself. Once you apply water, it will just wash off. So whenever it get too much thick, just use a little bit of water on the cloth and just wipe it off. You can see it started glowing and all the dirt were removed properly. There is a scratch. That's the reason it's not getting out. And for your information, the Colgate was having more a rubbing compound in it. So be careful, don't apply too much pressure in it. It's very good. And we're gonna go with the scratch remover now. It was a little bit smooth. There was no much thickness in it, and a little bit of scratches were there, a line. So it took a bit of effort to remove this. I'm not sure if you are able to see it properly, because there was a small line over there which I was not able to remove by using the professional scratch remover. Just trying to remove that line. Still it's there. So I would say that for a small scuff, we don't have to buy a scratch remover. You can just use the paste, the Colgate paste, to clean up. So just go for a Colgate paste and rub it off. It will be really easy to get it out. As I told you, the deep scratches, you have to get it paint. And the thing is that both were having similar shining, so you don't have to spend too much money to get a professional thing for small scuffs. As you can see, it was removed really in a really simple way. And once you finish that, just wash the area with water. I don't want to be responsible for any reaction related to the effect of Colgate. Just wipe it and wash it off. That's it. And whenever you do this process, just use a mechanical gloves, because when I did it with my bare hands, skin got irritated a little bit. So always use a mechanical gloves. That's it. Thank you.